Hey y'all. So I know y'all trying to figure out what the hell is going on here, but I'm here to let y'all know. So this is a video for people who do not care for the extra dramatics and just want to get down to the nitty-gritty. Here's a real simple tutorial for regular Degular Smegular people like me. You feel me? Okay, all right, y'all. So I am starting off with a foot spa that I got on Amazon, and I can link down below. I'm starting off on that. I took a shower about an hour before this, and now I'm just gonna sit in my living room and use this foot spa to prep my feet before actually using it. I'm gonna use this Epsom salt, and I'm gonna put it in this little circle thingy you see right here that I'm touching. Look, so I pour it in there, and then I'm gonna put the top on. You can find Epsom salt anywhere in your local supermarket, 99-cent store, deli if you're in a quote-unquote urban area. So I turn the faucet on and just press hot water and use the hot water to fill up my spa. And I turn the spa on so it can bubble. I'm using some essential oils to put inside my water so my feet can soak and relax. So I'm putting my neglected feet in the water and I'm filling it out, rubbing my feet, just relaxing, doing my thing, listening to music. And you can put whatever you want in the water. It's up to you, but this was relaxing for me and it was beneficial to remove all that nasty skin at the end. Oh, real quick, if your feet throwing up these signs, you might want to go see a doctor. So back to our feet. You want to soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes so your feet can relax and the dead skin can loosen up. So my feet felt really loved, so I decided it was time to move on. And this next step is for you. So I ordered these Pedicure foot scrapers a while back that I just keep and I use every week. I decided to take them and use them on the back of my feet and at the sole of my feet, wherever my feet mostly hits the ground at. Don't forget to also do the side of your big toe and under the rest of your toes because dead skin accumulates under there, y'all. You want to get it together. I do a minute or two per section. And then, as you can see on this machine, it also comes with the pumice stone that I use after. So, y'all, you can do this. You can do this. Ew, though. You see how that's coming off? My bad, y'all. But not really. After you're done with that, you want to take a body scrub, okay? A body, it could be a salt, it could be a sugar scrub. You want to take a very moisturizing body scrub. I decided to use Allocate Naturals, but you can use anyone. What you want to do is follow the directions on the scrub, rinse it off, and then take a towel and dry your feet. Now, make sure you dry your feet and your toenails properly because you don't want things to accumulate from that additional quote-unquote moisture. So my toenails grew and I'm not the type to leave long toenails. That's nasty to me personally, but I'm gonna get these bad boys together and they're still cute, so don't hate. So I went to the beauty supply store and I found a basic pedicure kit for $3.99. So what I'm using right here is one of the little metal things that were inside of it. So I'm using this to scrape all the dead skin from my cuticles and even under my toenails because that gotta go. That's nasty. But it also makes me feel good to get rid of this. Like, I'm getting my feet together. So here, I am taking my nail clipper and going from baby toe to baby toe, okay? And I'm cutting them down as low as I can go because I personally like short toenails. If you like longer toenails, you do not have to go as short as I did in my video. I also prefer like a blunt box cut on my toes and on my fingernails. So as you can see, I'm trying to go in a straight line as much as possible, and I might go in with a file. So I'm going to take my murder weapon, my nail file, and I'm going to use that to follow up and file my toenails after I clip them with my nails. My nail clipper. Next, I use this 50-cent nail buffer and use that to buff down and smooth the surface of my toenails so the polish can sit a little bit better on my nails. So I know some guys don't like to wear polish on their nails, but I'm telling you, it looks so much better when you do your toes, remove the dead skin, cut off that nail, get them dogs together. So here you want to take some clear nail polish, okay? It could be any nail polish you want to use. I'm specifically using some clear gel nail polish that acts as a base for the color I'm going to use, and I'm going to use it as a top coat, which means I'm going to wrap that joint together and throw that joint on top of my nails after I put the color on so it can all set and shine like the sun. So if you just was fine with clear, you could have stopped right then and there. But I decided to use color. And as you can see, it's hard to record and polish your toes on the floor at the same time. I personally love to put soft pastel tones on my toes instead of dark colors. I feel like it accentuates my toes a little bit better. So you might want to take that tip if your toes are kind of struggling, No judgment, no judgment. But on a serious note, make sure you have something under your feet in case you make a mess. You don't want to get it everywhere. And I'm going to put this color on 2 times. Look, while your feet is drying, you want to observe all the sloppy polishing you just did, okay? And then you want to do that while your feet is sitting here drying. So next, you're going to take a Q-tip with 2 sides, a clean Q-tip, not one that you used, okay? And you're going to take some nail polish remover, dip a bit of the remover in there, and just wipe around the perimeter of each nail where you kind of colored outside of the lines. Telling y'all gotta be creative when it comes to doing self-care things for yourself, because you see how them salons just shut down and now they're reopening. I'm sorry, I do not feel comfortable going there just this minute. So this is how my feet are looking now. Don't they look good? Look at them. Look at them. They are back and they are ready. They are ready. But we're not quite done. It is time to moisturize, so I decided to use this aromatherapy lotion on my feet. It is very good to moisturize your feet because your feet is one of the most driest things on your body. It does not produce any natural oils. So look, it's really on you to make sure your feet is not dry, you know? But I do recommend one that is really good for feet specifically. Body butters and oils are also good to put on your feet also to keep it nice and soft and to lock in that moisture. But just make sure it's not too greasy because then it could get uncomfortable. So now we are at the end of the video and I thank you guys for watching. If anything has helped you, please let me know in the comments. If you love this video, I know you might not love my feet, but if you thought that this was helpful, please let me know below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Be safe, y'all. Peace.